Okay, now for the introduction, remember that the last course that you have taken is your Engineering Calculus 1. Under that, it is the process of finding the derivative, which we call the differentiation. Now, under the integral calculus, we have to find for the function when its derivative is given. Okay, this one. The given input. Okay, we have the given or the input. For the input. Then we have the process, the answer, or known as the output. Okay. Under the Engineering Calculus 1, we have the function. The given is the function. The process is differentiation. The output is the derivative. While in Engineering Calculus 2, we have the derivative, integration is the process, and then we have the function. Okay. Now, example, we have y is equal to 5x squared plus 7. Remember that this one is a function. If we differentiate this one, we have y prime is equal to 10x, or y is equal to 7x cubed plus 12x minus 3. Y prime is equal to 21x squared plus 12. Remember, this one is the function. We differentiate it, we have the derivative. Okay, the same way we have the function, differentiation, we have the derivative. Now, okay, we have now your y prime is equal to 21x squared plus 12. Okay. The symbol and notation. Now, in differentiation, your d over dx is the operator symbol, which means that we have a differentiate the expression that follows the symbol. Now, for the integration operator, when we say integral of dx, that is read as integral of dx, which the integral of x with respect to x are simply the integral of dx. Okay. Let us integrate this one. Example, you have integral of 21x squared what if we have a given the integral of 10x dx that is equal to 5x squared plus c. Okay, later ko tuturo kung paano nangyari, pero let us have the symbol and notation. Your integral, this one is the integral sign. The integral sign. Okay, your 10x here is the given derivative of the unknown function. The given derivative of the unknown function, which is called the integrand. Okay. While dx is the differential x. And 5x squared is the particular integral. And c is the constant of integration. While your 5x squared plus c is the unknown function or the indefinite integral. Now, we have types of integral. Number one is the types of integral. Number one is the indefinite integral. When you say indefinite integral, integral without limits of integration. Without limits of integration. Integration. Okay, example, you have 21x dx. Okay. Number two, we have the definite integrals. Integral with limits of integration. That is an example. We have the integral of 21x dx with the limits from 0 to 1. Lower limit, upper limit. That is the difference between the indefinite and definite integrals.